In this video, I will show you how to create a drop-down menu in Elementor. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, then from the left-hand menu, click on Appearance and select Menus. Here is where you create and manage your navigation menu. Now, to create a drop-down, you simply need to add your main menu items first. After that, take the page or link you want to appear in the drop-down and drag it slightly to the right under the main item. This will automatically make it a sub-item, which creates the drop-down effect. Once you've arranged your menu items, click on Save Menu. Now go to your website and refresh the page, and you'll see that when you hover over the main menu item, the drop-down menu appears with the sub-items underneath it. If you want to edit it inside Elementor, go to your page and click on Edit with Elementor. Select your navigation menu widget, and from there, you can adjust alignment, styling, and layout. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel